Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best freezer door gasket is probably one of the most overlooked components in your kitchen, but it plays a crucial role in keeping your food fresh and your energy bills low. A worn-out gasket can lead to frost buildup, temperature fluctuations, and ultimately, food spoilage. In this video, we'll dive into the world of freezer door gaskets, exploring why they're essential and how to choose the right one for your needs. Number 5. EUDEMON Fridge Lock, Easy Install, Child Safety. This fridge lock is incredibly easy to install. It comes with pre-taped adhesive, so all you need to do is stick it where you need it. The self-locking system means it secures automatically when the door closes. Made from resilient PC material, this lock is built to last. It's specifically designed for refrigerators and won't get in the way when opening or closing the door. You don't need any extra parts. The lock uses a strong adhesive tape that requires no tools or drilling. It has a large surface area for maximum adhesion. The bond becomes even stronger after 72 hours, and it removes cleanly without damaging the fridge. This lock works on various refrigerators, regardless of the seal strip thickness. It's suitable for outdoor, compact, mini, and single-door fridges. It can even help secure a fridge with a faulty seal. The freezer lock can withstand significant force, preventing unwanted access. It keeps kids from opening the fridge and eating things they shouldn't. It's also effective for keeping pets out. What we like? This lock is incredibly easy to install, with no tools needed. It's designed to keep little ones safe by preventing them from accessing the fridge. If you have curious toddlers or pets, this is a must-have to prevent unwanted access and potential hazards. What people say. The gasket fit perfectly. The gasket was easy to install. The freezer door seal is working great now. Number 4. Frigidaire 53045071999 Freezer Door Gasket. This is a genuine original equipment manufacturer part. It's designed to fit your freezer perfectly, ensuring optimal performance. You can trust this part for its quality and reliability. This gasket is compatible with Frigidaire, Kenmore, Gibson, and Crosley freezers. It's also interchangeable with Electrolux products. This offers a wide range of compatibility. This door gasket, part number 53045071999, is specifically designed for freezers. It replaces several other part numbers, making it a versatile choice. Before installing this part, make sure to unplug your freezer. This will prevent any potential hazards. Also, store any perishable food safely. To ensure this part fits your freezer, please check the model number. Refer to the compatibility guide in the product documents. This will help you confirm that it is the correct fit. What we like? This is a genuine OEM part, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance for your Frigidaire freezer. It's compatible with multiple brands, making it a versatile choice. If you're looking for a reliable replacement that guarantees quality and compatibility, this is the one. What people say. It went on super easy, and honestly fit better than the one I took off. It creates a perfect seal and, after a thorough cleaning with some vinegar, and then a dilute bleach solution, the Kenmore is looking and running like new. This Frigidaire door seal was the perfect size for our upright freezer. We removed the old seal and our grandson easily installed this one within a few minutes. It does the job 100%. Number 3. GRA 12 feet refrigerator door seal gasket. Are you looking to restore a classic refrigerator from the 40s or 50s? This seal is designed specifically for those vintage models. It will help keep your food fresh. This gasket features an E-shaped design, ensuring a tight and effective seal. This unique shape helps to prevent air leaks, maintaining the ideal temperature inside. This replacement seal is a perfect fit for your refrigerator. It's designed to match the original specifications, making installation easy and straightforward. The seal is 1/2 inch in size and comes in a 12-foot length. This provides ample material for most refrigerator doors, ensuring complete coverage and a secure seal. With this seal, you can restore your vintage refrigerator to its original functionality. It helps preserve the appliance and its contents, keeping everything in top condition. What we like? This gasket is specifically designed for vintage refrigerators from the 40s and 50s. The E-shaped design ensures a proper seal for older models. If you have a classic refrigerator and need a replacement gasket, this is the perfect solution to restore its sealing capabilities. What people say. This gasket was the perfect fit for my 40-year-old retro beer fridge. Easy install and has it running like new without the freezer freezing solid. This fixed my issue and now old fridge seals well. Number 2. Universal Vintage Refrigerator Door Seal, 17 feet, black. Are you tired of your old refrigerator door seal? This is a replacement seal for vintage refrigerators. It's designed to keep your food fresh. This seal kit replaces the Frost King RG17 model. It's a great solution for older refrigerators. It will help to improve the efficiency of your fridge. This replacement gasket is specifically designed for older, vintage refrigerator units. It ensures a proper seal, preventing warm air from entering. This helps to maintain the ideal temperature inside. This weather stripping is made of high-quality materials. It provides a tight seal to keep your refrigerator running efficiently. It's durable and designed to last. The package includes brand-specific instructions for easy installation. It's a straightforward process, and you'll have your refrigerator sealed in no time. The instructions will guide you through the process. What we like. This replacement seal is designed for older vintage units. It offers a universal fit, making it a convenient option for various refrigerator models. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install solution for your vintage refrigerator, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Fits as it should exactly. I do recommend for a replacement. Good quality, fast shipping. Worked great. Easy install. The gasket fit perfectly and I have not had any issues with it yet. Number 1. Frigidaire 53045072001 Freezer Door Gasket. This is a genuine Frigidaire replacement part, the 53045072001 door gasket. It's designed to the exact specifications of your freezer. Using this part ensures optimal performance. This door gasket is engineered by Frigidaire. Unlike non-genuine parts, this ensures the best possible fit and function for your appliance. To install this part, you'll need a few basic tools. These include a crosshead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, gloves, and safety glasses. Make sure you have these ready before you start. The repair skill level is suitable for DIY beginners. Basic DIY skills are recommended for the installation. If you're comfortable with simple repairs, you can handle this. Before purchasing, check your appliance's user manual. Verify that this part is compatible with your specific model. This will ensure a perfect fit. Choose genuine Frigidaire parts for your appliance repairs. You can confidently repair your appliance knowing you're using a quality part. What we like. This Frigidaire door gasket is engineered to exact specifications, ensuring optimal performance. It's designed for DIY installation, making it accessible for beginners. If you are looking for a high-quality replacement and enjoy a DIY project, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Perfect fit. Had it installed in 20 minutes. Fits tight and snug as a glove. Seals as advertised. Watch a video on how to install and this replacement is amazing. Took very little effort and used hairdryer to help the gasket mold into shape once it was on the freezer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.